What's going on, you guys? We are back at it with another tax tip video, and today I'm making a video on something that I've had a lot of questions about, a lot of DMs about. So this video is going to be about the child tax credit, and it's actually very easy to understand. There's not too many intricacies about it. It's very simple and straight cut through. So let's go ahead and talk about it. The child tax credit, CTC. Now, what is that? That's going to be a credit for individuals who obviously have children. It costs money to have children. You know, it's another mouth to feed, more clothes you gotta buy. It's another expense. So the government likes to help you guys where they give you a credit to help lower your tax liability. And the child tax credit is also refundable. It is a $2,000 credit, but it's $1,600 are refundable. So if you don't owe anything in taxes, you will be getting a $1,600 return just off of the child tax credit. But let's say you owed $400 in taxes, you would be using the full $2,000 child tax credit, which you would be receiving $1,600 of it because of the $2,000. That's simple math, you guys. You got a $2,000 child tax credit. You owe $400, so boom, you're gonna be left with $1,600. You're gonna be getting that full $1,600 return. So requirements: you obviously are gonna need a qualifying child. They're gonna have to be under the age of 17. They have to be a U.S. citizen, a U.S. national, or a U.S. resident alien. You need to have a valid social security number. The taxpayer needs to have a valid social security number. And lastly, you must claim the child on your taxes. You can't get the child tax credit without claiming the actual child on your return. Now, there is a phase out. So like if you make too much money, it depends. Like you won't be able to get the credit to a certain limit. So what that means is if you make less than $200,000 a year, so the cap is $200,000, you can claim the full child tax credit. So if you start making over that, it starts to phase out till you get nothing. So if you're married, you're gonna be obviously filing joint. So then that means you get to go up to $400,000. So if you make $400,000 and below, you can get the full child tax credit. So where it starts phasing out is once you start passing that. What happens is every $1,000 over that threshold, so the $200,000 if you're single or $400,000 if you're married, so for every $1,000 over that, the child tax credit is reduced by $50. And the form you're going to need to file child tax credit is form 1040 schedule 8812. Final thing I wanted to say before I wrap this video up is this goes for children as you have. So it's $2,000 per child. So if you're a business owner, content creator looking for professional tax help, make sure you click the link in my bio to become a client. My name is Ricky, co-founder of Ricky and Nikki Accounting Services. And what we do here is we make taxes very easy to figure out. So give us a follow to stay educated and to get your taxes right.